Pie warmer and hot food display. PW-RT Series, designed for showcasing hot food. Available in 4 different lengths, perfectly adaptable to any space. Multi-tier display shelves ensure every pie and pastry looks irresistible. The warm light of halogen lamps highlights the charm of food and enhances its appeal. The illuminated lightbox allows you to showcase your brand logo, increasing visibility. Front and rear sliding doors provide easy access, simplify restocking, and ensure smooth operation. Precise thermostatic control, adjustable from 30 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The built-in humidity reservoir locks in moisture, maintaining freshness and perfect texture. The stainless steel interior is durable, hygienic, and easy to clean. Energy efficient and high performance, making it the ideal choice for cafes, bakeries, and convenience stores. Keep your food warm and let your quality shine.